around me.
It's Steve.
Today I'm making strawberry cheesecake. First you dump in 1.5 of milk. And then you dump in your cheesecake filling. Time to get messy. Goes up. What a delicious mess. Yummy. Now it's time to dump in a filling to a crust. Can you hold it? I want to do this. Yum. Time to put the strawberries in. I forgot to say one. Time for the spreading. Now that it's all spread out, let's put it in the refrigerator. Put you right there. Let's get you out. After it sits for 1 hour, let's see what it looks like. That looks delicious. That's amazing. You have to have.
Hold on. First you dump in 1.5 cups of milk.
First you have to have the
First you dump in 1.5 cups of milk.
Doing that side, yeah.
Go ahead. Come on, Todd. Come on, Todd. Don't pull it the whole way out. It's too heavy for you.
Hey, Dad. Dad, it looks like it's way over there. Ow! Who put this there? I hit it. Hey, come here. I found something. Right there. Do you have an ant on it?
What?
No? Hold on. Don't put it yet. Really? What are you gonna do with it? Blow it. No, get up and blow it. Hold on. Okay. You doing it?